This is the new Penstar eNote 2, and in this video I'll give you my first impressions. Let's begin with the unboxing. It comes packaged in a neat, stylish box. Interestingly, nowhere on the box does it say that it is in fact the eNote 2. So when I received it, I thought maybe I had received the previous version. You should find quite a few things in the box. The tablet itself with its folio, not one, but 2 pens, which is awesome, and a USB-C cable for charging, and also you get 10 spare nibs. I appreciate that they are generous with their pens and pen nibs. Most devices give only 1 pen and 5 nibs. Now the first thing I notice about the tablet is that it feels super light and thin. I'm used to carrying the Penstar Air 5C, so this is much lighter. Interestingly, this has physical buttons on the left-hand side. There are 8 square buttons separated by a circular button. It tells you that this is not going to be a full touch device. So these buttons are handy for navigation. At the top of the device, you can find the power button, and at the bottom, there is a USB-C port for charging. In terms of the stylus, it's fairly light as well. It even has a clip on it for putting it at the side of the tablet. This doesn't have any magnetic mechanism for attaching it. There is an eraser at the top and a button on the side. When you open the pen up, you're surprised by more pen nibs. It's amazing. In terms of the folio, it's very different than the Penstar Air 5C one. For one, it is not a full folio, but just a cover which protects the screen. The Penstar Air 5C folio has weight to it due to magnets, but this one is very light. It has got a pen loop, so you can use it to carry your pen securely. When you turn this on, it's fairly easy to use. While there's no touch screen, you can use the pen to operate it. So you choose the language and agree to the terms and conditions, and you are in business. You can connect it to the Wi-Fi and check if you've got the latest firmware, and that's it. You're ready to use it. I've been comparing this to my Penstar Air 5C. Compared to that tablet, this is so crisp and sharp. It's so clear and so white like paper. I struggle using the Penstar Air 5C under dark conditions. I have to turn the lights on, but this one is so bright that you can use it in almost any indoor environment. But that makes sense because it's got no touchscreen layer, no front light layer, so it's really a pure e-ink experience. Now, not having a touchscreen can make it a bit difficult for some people, but for me, as I use it, it's not too strange. Although it will take some time for you to get used to it. Writing is so much fun on this. I'm looking forward to testing it more and releasing the full review in the future. But for now, this has a really good writing experience. When compared to my Books pen, this pen has doubled the number of levels of pressure sensitivity, which shows very clearly. But surprisingly, this pen doesn't work on my Books device. Neither does my Books device pen work on this. So it seems that the Penstar pen is locked to its system, which can be a minus for those who already own many EMR pens. This really is a very interesting device, and I'm looking forward to testing this thoroughly. If you'd like to see my full review, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll get back to you as soon as I can.